Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Weight loss salad. All right, the secret of this one. All right, this is some iceberg lettuce, and we have some sweet jam lettuce, carrot, grated. I'm gonna put a few baby spinach. Lovely. Bring up it, you know. Then secondly, tomato. Nice one. Celery. That one side, cucumber. I know that cucumber is good for us. Lovely. Let's give it a mix, you know what I mean? Everything together. Alright. That's not the secret which I want to share with you guys. Is this bit which is very important. Alright? I'm going to make a sauce for the iceberg lettuce and the mixed salad, everything into one. But we're gonna make a lovely sauce for you. So what I'm gonna do is put some of the salad inside of this, just like that. Beautiful. This salad, you can eat it in the evening before you go to bed or for lunch. So I'm just gonna show you how you can make the sauce for it. This is the sauce which I'm gonna be using. Alright. Tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. We're gonna be using some garlic and tomato. This is a dry one I'm using. Dry chili. Little bit of cinnamon powder. And also I have my pepper, yeah, black pepper. Lime juice is a must. I'm gonna use half of a lime. With this, you can use, like, I must say to you, basically you can put a potion together. It's just what I'm making for you. You can put a little bit of vinegar, of mixed herb. Get your salad and look at that. That's the dressing for the salad. Alright? Just sprinkle this on top of it. So, the dressing. Yeah. Don't use no oil. This is a healthy salad for weight loss. This have some dry garlic and tomato. Very good. Can smell the garlic. Really nice and lovely. So guys, enjoy it. Subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. This is a very healthy salad. You can have beetroot and a lot more stuff to it. You can have some pumpkin seed and also some almond to eat also. But enjoy it. Next time we will give you more recipes similar like this one. Alright, see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Could you help me with the TV?
What happened to it now?
It says no signal.
No signal?
Yeah.